Tired of doing all the heavy lifting yourself? These 15 incredible inventions are designed to take the load off your shoulders, literally and figuratively. From smart gadgets that clean your home to tools that simplify everyday tasks, these innovations work hard so you don't have to. Whether you're looking to save time, boost productivity, or just make life easier, these clever creations have got you covered. Caljan ErgoRider. The Caljan ErgoRider is a cutting-edge loading solution that combines a conveyor belt with an ergonomic platform to simplify and speed up the handling of loose loaded cargo. Its free-hanging design eliminates the need for floor supports, allowing smooth navigation across uneven trailer floors and dock variations. Seamlessly integrating with Caljan Performer conveyors, it reduces lifting strain, boosts operator safety, and cuts trailer dwell times by up to 50%. Designed for adaptability and efficiency, the ErgoRider can handle up to 6 trailers per dock per shift, significantly improving warehouse throughput. Addverb Dynamo 500. The Addverb Dynamo 500 is a powerful autonomous mobile robot, AMR, built for efficient material handling in warehouses and factories. With a 500 kilogram payload capacity and speeds up to 2 meters per second, it uses SLAM-based navigation with 2D 3D LiDAR for precise movement and autonomous obstacle avoidance. Compliant with global safety standards, it operates up to 8 hours and supports tasks like picking, sortation, and towing. Equipped with AI, computer vision, and Pick Assist integration, the Dynamo 500 reduces labor costs, enhances safety, and boosts productivity in dynamic industrial environments. Apogee Plus. The Apogee Plus by Cynosure is a high-performance laser system designed for rapid, effective hair removal and treatment of pigmented lesions. It features a 755 nanometer alexandrite laser, known for superior melanin absorption, delivering up to 20 joules per square centimeter at an 18mm spot size and 2 Hz for fast, efficient treatments. The system is upgradable to the Elite Plus model with a 1064 nanometer neodymium yttrium aluminum garnet laser, expanding treatment options for darker skin tones and vascular lesions. Compact, durable, and user-friendly, Apogee Plus is ideal for high-volume practices seeking proven versatile results. LaundryJet. LaundryJet is a revolutionary vacuum-powered laundry chute system that eliminates the hassle of carrying laundry baskets. Designed for both single and multi-level homes, it can transport laundry up to 400 feet through sleek wall ports connected to a central system. Unlike traditional chutes, it works horizontally and vertically, adapting to various layouts. With optional return units, multiple access ports, and automated cycles, LaundryJet saves time, reduces clutter, and enhances convenience, especially for the elderly or those with mobility challenges. It's an efficient, space-saving solution for modern residential and commercial laundry needs. Wordrunner. The Wordrunner is a mechanical keyboard built specifically for writers, featuring a unique mechanical word counter, Wordometer, that tracks word count in real time, even when powered off. Designed for focus and productivity, it includes an integrated sprint timer for writing sessions, customizable macro keys, and a writer-optimized function row. With Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity, it supports up to 4 devices and switches seamlessly between them. Its sleek, race-inspired aluminum frame, media joystick, and software-free operation make Wordrunner a powerful distraction-free tool for authors, journalists, and anyone serious about writing. Smartduvet. Smartduvet is a high-tech, self-making duvet system that combines dual-zone climate control with smart features for ultimate sleep comfort. It uses an air chamber system to automatically make your bed and offers personalized settings via a mobile app. Users can control temperatures 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit on each side, reduce humidity, and enjoy aromatherapy and ambient LED lighting. Smartduvet is energy efficient, easy to install, and compatible with both iOS and Android. Designed for convenience, wellness, and modern living, it even includes a 100-night risk-free trial for a worry-free experience. Samsung AirDresser. The Samsung AirDresser is an innovative clothing care appliance that refreshes, sanitizes, and gently dries garments using steam and air technology. Its jet steam function eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and dust mites, while a deodorizing filter removes lingering odors. AI dry and heat pump drying ensure garments are treated gently, reducing shrinkage and wrinkles. With multiple care modes, air hangers, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a sleek mirror finish, the AirDresser offers an efficient alternative to dry cleaning. It's perfect for delicate fabrics, bulky items, and daily wear, providing smarter, fresher garment care right at home. Robera Neo. The Robera Neo is a smart personal mobility device packed with advanced features for safety and convenience. It boasts a 120 Hz touch sampling rate for smooth control, an 8-megapixel front camera with dual flash for clear visuals, and obstacle avoidance with anti-tipping technology for enhanced stability. Key highlights include downhill speed control, follow me and marching modes, no-go zone detection, and one-touch response functionality. Its long-lasting battery supports extended use, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor navigation with intelligent and responsive performance. Bixpy K-1. The Bixpy K-1 is a rugged high-performance water propulsion system designed for kayaks, paddleboards, and small watercraft. Its waterproof, dirt-proof, and corrosion-resistant housing ensures durability in all conditions. Built with an anodized aluminum body, it's ideal for both saltwater and freshwater use. The motor features a permanently attached cable for secure connections and reliability. For convenience, the quick-release design allows the motor to be detached with just one bolt, making setup and transport easy. The Bixpy K-1 combines power, portability, and protection for adventurous water enthusiasts. GoodBytz Robotic Kitchen. The GoodBytz Robotic Kitchen is a modular, AI-powered cooking system capable of preparing up to 3,000 dishes daily with 100% order accuracy. Designed to reduce labor costs by up to 80%, it features smart storage, cooking, and topping modules that handle tasks like chopping, seasoning, and cleaning. Its compact mobile design fits through standard doors, installs in hours, and requires only standard power and water. With no need for air exhaust systems and a touchscreen interface, GoodBytz is perfect for ghost kitchens, restaurants, or catering businesses seeking efficient, scalable, and sustainable automation. UBTECH Walker S1. The UBTECH Walker S1 is a highly advanced humanoid robot designed for dynamic tasks and real-world interaction. Weighing 76 kilograms and standing 172 centimeters tall, it offers impressive visual recognition speeds under 70 milliseconds and millimeter-level accuracy. Built for stability and strength, it can carry up to 15 kilograms without losing balance. Designed for roles in smart homes, service industries, and research. The Walker S1 showcases precise movement, real-time object recognition, and smooth navigation, pushing the boundaries of humanoid robotics and intelligent automation. SANO LIFTKAR SAL. The SANO LIFTKAR SAL is a powered stair climber designed to move heavy loads up and down stairs safely and efficiently. Weighing as little as 44 pounds, it combines the portability of a hand truck with a motorized lifting system. With 2 speed settings and an automatic descent brake, it easily navigates straight, spiral, and tight staircases. Features include ergonomic grips, battery-powered operation, overload protection, and customizable components. Ideal for transporting goods in retail, healthcare, or logistics, the LIFTKAR SAL enhances safety and reduces strain in stair-related material handling tasks. eBarrow kit. The eBarrow kit converts a standard wheelbarrow into a powerful electric-powered workhorse. It features a 250-watt, high-torque geared motor with over 35 Newton-meters of torque, a durable 10 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, and an off-road polyurethane tyre for rough terrain. The kit includes a waterproof control case, universal mounting bracket, and thumb throttle for smooth speed control. Designed for quick installation, just 4 minutes, it also offers crash protection and long-lasting durability. Ideal for construction, landscaping, and waste management, the eBarrow kit makes heavy loads easier to move with less effort and greater efficiency. LineRanger. LineRanger, developed by Hydro-Quebec, is an advanced robotic system designed for live high-voltage power line inspection. It features a user-friendly interface, rapid deployment, and the ability to inspect up to 20 kilometers of transmission lines daily without disrupting power. Equipped with a passive obstacle crossing system, HD video transmission, and integrated sensors, it detects corrosion, overheating, and resistance issues in real time. Battery-powered and easy to install, LineRanger improves safety, reduces operational costs, and eliminates the need for line shutdowns or helicopter inspections, making it a smart, efficient solution for utility companies. Vita Load Navigator. The Vita Load Navigator, VLN, is an advanced crane load stabilization system designed to enhance safety, precision, and efficiency in lifting operations. Capable of handling loads up to 40 metric tons, it enables remote control from up to 600 feet, keeping workers out of danger zones. Using real-time sensors and algorithms, it automatically corrects load spin and sway, even in winds up to 48 kilometers per hour. Features include memory settings for repeated lifts, precise load positioning, dynamic speed control, and 12-hour battery life, making VLN ideal for high-risk, high-precision lifting environments.